Tell you right now, I can't stand fakeness. I can't stand fake. There's too many people that's fake. When you fake, you immature. The majority of adults you see are immature, soft, weak. They need to grow up, spoiled. You know, life ain't humbled them enough. They ain't been through nothing, and that's most people. Most people through going through uh, things and situations. Excuse me. Going through things and situations, it made them bitter than better. I don't see a lot of mature adults. Most of them fake. Most of them conform to a fake system. A system, a system that lied to them from day one. How can you trust it? If you say you real, that means you're a mature adult. You're not focused on uh, you're not focused on all this materialistic stuff. Uh, you're not focused on trying to impress the crowd. All you focusing on being real, trying to help somebody, trying to tell somebody the right thing. That's being real. Being real ain't going out here killing and shooting and robbing folks. He said, "Oh, he real. He robbed this guy." That's not being real. It's fake. Cause being real, we have to unite. It's a unity. It's a being together. It's being I can be able to talk to this person, this person. If it's something not right, we can talk and reason about it. Uh, we can elaborate on things, not just disliking a person, doing something to that person, or act like you too good to talk to a person. All this stuff is fake. A lot of these managers in stores and all over the place, even in politics, these people are fake. They ain't changing nothing. Everything's the same thing. Selling people lies and like dreams and stuff. I mean, uh, people really going through. We ain't got no real people. If we got no real people, we can make a change. Things will change if you have no real people. Instead, we got too many fakes, too many phonies. They claim they're real. Now, the prophets of Bill in the Bible, fake, put on a show, not real, just want attention. Don't care who they lie to. Trying to be straight up. Too much going on. Need some real folks. People not so hot tempered, not so mad so mad we telling the truth. Need some people that's ready for the truth. That'll go out and fight for the truth. And I say truth, I'm not talking about fight for the wrong thing or some he said she said stuff and all like that. But all this fake. All this fake. You mad because she talking to this guy and I don't like him because she talking to this guy. It's all this stuff fake. I'm talking about real showing respect for people. Not talking down on people. It's like this manager in the store the other day just talking down on me, just talking down on people. It's not real. It's not management. It's not a leader. You got all these fake, too many fake leaders going on. We need some real leaders. We need to get what's real. We need what's real. Too many real people. Too many fake people in offices. Not real, fake. Too many fake people in offices. We need some real ones, but that's not who they want to hire. They want to hire the real ones. This thing about everything fake. So much fakeness out here, man. I'm allergic to it, by the way. I'm allergic to it. I feel like don't come around if you fake. If you feel the garbage, don't come around me. I'm not for that vibration. I'm not for that vibration. So you need to snap out of it. Wake the hell up. Because everybody fake. That's what it is. The few, the real, super rare, but it's fake, the majority.